All right, so you believe it may be time to buy the dip. That generally implies that you think that we've hit the bottom. What are you seeing that's telling you that we've hit the bottom? A lot of contrary views about this. Is it about valuation? Is it about some other metric that you're following that gives you the confidence to say buy the dip now?
Yeah. Thanks for having me, and a great question. No, I think, one time on the timing of it, I'd clarify that it's going to be a little bit into 2023. I do think we are getting to those oversold levels, but in 2023, in the first or second quarter, I think it'll be a great opportunity for investors to buy. And the reasons why, as you guys were talking about earlier, is the valuations. Some of the levels, especially when you look at the big cap, mega cap names, are at valuations, or they're trading at prices they haven't traded in a while. The NASDAQ itself is trading below its 5-year average on an earnings basis. And so I think those tend to look at, for an investor, that they're very attractive. We're very attractive at this point. And we still have, some things to get through before we even get to a point where, you should be putting a lot of active cash to work. I think if you look at the 2022 challenges, they'll sustain into 2023. If you look at inflation and the monetary policy from the Fed, those things are still there. But that picture, and a lot of it's priced in, and that picture should clear up for investors, I believe, some point in 2023. So the opportunity to buy, that window is starting to open up.
So, Delon, I'm glad you gave us the horizon. You're saying Q1, Q2 of next year. That's really the time you expect these stocks to kind of rise from their current levels. I also want to touch on something else. I know a lot of your client base is millennial investors, younger investors. So what are you telling them about the price action that we're seeing and the levels that we're seeing for a lot of these mega cap tech stocks? So you mentioned that some of them are back to 2020 levels. So if I look back to March of 2020, mid-March, I'm seeing that Amazon's actually about 5% lower than it was back then. Microsoft about 50% higher, and then Apple about 80% higher. What are you telling your clients about buying at these levels compared to those levels? Do we have to re-gauge how we look at the prices of these mega cap stocks?
Yeah, the sentiment in generally, if you kind of look at the actual sentiments, they're pretty bearish, especially, I believe, it's from young investors as well. The trading activity is down. Younger investors, I think, have kind of pulled away from the mania of 2021. And, just in general, their sentiment has a lot of changed. No, for us specifically, we like to look at, the time horizon of our investors and what they're thinking. And I think a lot of people, mentally have gone away, and the bearishness has pushed them away from potentially doing anything in the market this year. And a lot of sellers have driven the market. But I think that will start to change at some point in 2023. One, because a lot of investors that have a longer time horizon can look back at the chart and see a little bit even further past 2 years where some of these stocks are trading back then. And maybe if they believe in the trend for growth, if they believe that the tech companies have gotten a little bit more efficient, have trimmed down a little bit, and have ability to grow and have different areas where they made bets long term, that they'll perform better in the further out in a couple of years. So if you look a year from now, that maybe they'll be traded at better prices. So that's really the sentiment, the preaching point to that we do to investors and to our clients right now, because things have been dire in 2022. Let's not be mistaken; they're very dire, especially for people that were holding tech, and that's still going to continue for a little bit.
Yeah, Delano, I'm curious to hear more about that sentiment of your clientele and the fact that you really have insight into the next generation of investors. You say that they're bearish. I'm curious if the types of companies that they're most interested in now has really shifted over the past couple of years. As we've seen the tech wreck, as we've seen, money move out of the cryptocurrency related stocks in addition to crypto itself. Was this a demographic that was really into the cryptocurrency related stocks?
Yes, Julian, great to see you, and congrats on the book. Great stocking stuffer for those out there. I will say I actually got an email for someone that wanted to get out of crypto, and I think that sentiment, and I think what was obviously with FTX and a lot of things that's been happening, a lot of people have gone dire.